Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make iced matcha latte. You will need about 1 tablespoon of matcha, then you add a little bit of warm water, about this much. And you mix it. Mix until it's creamy. Look, it's creamy and it's foamy. So now it's good. You can stop. Then put ice in your cup. Pour milk inside. And pour your matcha mixture. For sweetener, I put about 1 teaspoon of honey. Then add about a splash of vanilla. Mix everything together. Okay, here's our iced matcha lattes. It tastes really good, so please try this one at home. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more video in the future. Thank you.